1. Module 1. Unit 1. 1.1. Page 12. Exercise 4.
My talk today is an introduction to the law, lawmaking, and legal systems. First of all, can anyone tell me what the law is?
It's the collection of rules of a country, isn't it?
That's right. My definition is this. The law is the code or set of rules which govern all individuals and organizations in society. Although different countries have different codes of law, some actions have always been crimes almost everywhere. Can anyone suggest an action of this kind?
How about theft?
Yes, that's certainly one, and of course, murder is another. Another basic principle of most systems of law is that a person is innocent until someone proves that they are guilty. Okay, so what do we know about the history of lawmaking? Does anyone know when the earliest code of law was established?
Was it about 2,500 years ago?
No, it was much earlier than that. The earliest code of law we know about was established nearly 4,000 years ago by the Middle Eastern ruler Hammurabi. This consisted of 282 laws which governed the family, work, personal property, and trade. Since then, every country has developed its own code of law over hundreds or thousands of years. Let's move on. Can someone tell me who makes laws?
Governments make laws, don't they?
That's right. In most modern societies, governments make laws and the police and judges enforce them. In some countries, juries, made up of members of the public, decide whether an accused person is innocent or guilty. In most systems, there are three main types of law. Firstly, the one that people know most about, criminal law, which deals with murder and other acts of violence and crimes against property such as theft. The second type is civil law, which deals with a wide range of actions from arguments between neighbours to the behaviour of large companies. And can anyone tell me what the third type of law is?
Is it personal law?
Not quite. It's family law, which is concerned mainly with family relationships, marriage, adoption, and the welfare of children. As I am sure you are aware, the law affects every area of people's daily lives, from driving their cars to paying tax. But to work effectively, laws must be backed by penalties and punishments imposed by courts. So, for example, individuals who have committed murder or theft are sent to prison. But what would be a typical punishment for someone who had done something less serious, say someone who has damaged their neighbour's property?
They usually have to pay a fine, don't they?
Yes, that's right. Okay, my final question is this. Why is it so important to have laws?
More people would behave badly if we didn't have laws, wouldn't they?
That's right. The simple truth is this. Without laws, there would be chaos.